Hey guys, how we doing today? How are we doing, everybody? All right, everybody. Let's get this show on the road. You guys ready? Let's get some fire emojis in the chat. Let's get fired up. Okay, who's in my chat today? Let me take this off my screen. Who's in my chat today? Oh. We don't want this right now. We don't need the GameMaker file open right now. We definitely will be though. Okay, let me open up my chat. Evan, Alpha, Smart Art, Barushan, how you guys doing? Ian, Blue, Omlex, Chandy, oh Chandy, what's going on? The Sun, questionable game design, Leofix, Shadow, Soul Trader, someone who? I missed you guys. I missed you guys a lot. Betty, how you doing, man? NK44 Gaming. That's a name. Rhineland, dude. This guy's always telling people to subscribe to the channel and like the videos. So, Rhineland, I appreciate that, man. Reece, you should make a Discord members only stream so everyone has to join his Discord. Yeah, I mean, I don't think I would do that just because, you know, some people just don't have Discord. So it is what it is. It is what it is. We gotta account for all the peeps. Discord or not Discord. Just liked and subbed. Thank you, Evan. I appreciate it. There's a Discord? Yes, there is a Discord. You guys have been crazy on the Discord lately. Like, insane. Guys, I think we were at like 900 members like last week. I'm gonna do a member check. Let's do a member count check. This is insane. We were at 900 like a week ago, I swear. 1,222. Jesus. Why is that the case? It's because of the Boundless Game Jam, guys. I'm only gonna announce this now. But yeah, if anybody wants to join, we're actually doing a game jam right now. We're about 2 days in, so there's 5 days left roughly. And if you guys want to join that, I'm just gonna pin it in the chat. You guys can join. It's pretty cool. I've been seeing a lot of your games so far, and honestly, they look really cool. I'm sure I'll show some of them throughout like today's stream or something, but yeah, there's been some really cool games. Let's see if I can find some images here real quick before we start game development. Am I in the wrong thing? These are some nice models. I haven't seen this. You guys talk so much in this chat. It's insane. Yeah, I can't find any media. I can't find much media, but I swear there's some really cool games in here. I promise. Anyway, so let's get started. I'm excited about today because, all right, let me drop this down now. We do not need this. This was unexpected, lol. Yeah. I just, I decided might as well stream today. I have to get some work done on the game, and I missed you guys, so I felt like it was needed. It was needed. So I'll definitely be showing you guys a lot of what's kind of going on with the game. There's a devlog coming out on Friday, so yeah, I mean, you guys will see a lot more content soon, but today is really just about, I need to get some stuff done. I missed you guys, so I'm here. And that's all. So anyway, hold on. Let me get my hat and then we'll start. Sweet. Okay. I always cut off my head whenever I stream on the webcam, because I always end up like sitting cross-legged on my chair, but it's okay. What if a server booster slash donator slash only or donator only stream? Maybe in the future, like 6 months from now, when the channel's popping off and we got, you know, hundreds of thousands of you guys. But right now, I think it's chill just to keep the streams public for everybody, and just include everyone. Anyway, so recently I've been testing with some gates, so I'm just gonna run the game because the game takes a while to run for the first time. So I'm just gonna compile it and run it real quick. I'm not gonna show you guys too much yet. That'll be later on in the stream. We'll start showing off some stuff. Anyway, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to like today's stream. It's gonna be a great one, and I just hope that there's a lot of people that come out today. I normally stream a lot earlier than this, so we might not have as many people today because for some reason, at least on my channel, like after like 2 or 3 p.m. EST, which is now, views start to fall off really hard. So we'll see. We'll see what happens, but you know, it would help. It'd help me out if you guys did like the stream. And then yeah. Anyway, so what's going on in chat? Do you watch Popcross Studios? I've never heard of Popcross Studios. Keep the dragon in the game. The dragon will 100% be in the game. Don't worry about that. Reese's hat actually gives him 50% more power. Yeah, it actually does. Leonard is in the chat, guys. Leonard's been killing this music. Like, actually, it's insane. I haven't put the new music in the game yet. He actually made a clearing track. So there's music for the actual clearing area, which is basically like the forest. It's basically the village, but as like a wilderness area. So yeah, there's some new music for that as well. So now we have the village music, the clearing music, burnt forest, caves. I don't know if we have a dungeon track. Technically we do. We have a dungeon track. And it's fine for now because we're kind of doing some placeholder stuff because this is for the alpha demo test, which actually comes out this Friday. I'm super excited about that. Anyway, this is what I'm talking about, guys. The game takes a little while to compile the first time, so that's why I'm just kind of running it so I can talk to you guys and catch up. But yeah, I promise we'll be getting to some nice game dev today. Actually, speaking of, I'm gonna just make sure that I have everything written down on my list because that would be helpful. Guys, make sure to stay structured and write down stuff that you have to do because it makes your life easier. So yeah, let's see here. All right, this looks pretty good. This is what's on today's agenda. This is what we're gonna be doing today, for the most part. Can we hear MT's main track? Yeah, I'll probably play some music later in the stream. Yeah, I'm down. I'm down if you guys are down. Maybe if we get to 100 likes, I'll start playing just a bunch of the Monster Tribe music from the soundtrack. Leonard has been absolutely killing it. Like it's insane. Anyway, so main things that we want to do today is build a simple, a very simplistic main menu. So I've created some buttons and stuff like that. So now we just have to throw in a few extra things on the screen and just have like just a scrolling background going on. I really want to have a main menu that's like you have like the character running around in the background and the camera moving throughout the different environments and to give people an idea of what the game is before they start playing the game. But we just don't have enough time to do that for this Friday alpha test. So I'm sure we'll, you know, add it in a future patch. But right now we just need everything basic set up. Okay, so the game loaded. So a lot's changed since you guys have probably seen this game. Oh, it's gonna lag on me. That's not fun. Anyway, I think right now we have a lot of our resources are like 99. So I'm gonna open this chest. Oh no, we actually don't have 99 of everything anymore. But yeah, that's okay. Anyway, so resources. I guess, yeah, we only have the ash log now. So that's good. I guess, yeah, all the resources are reset. So basically what's happening is all of these squares will be filled out, but because, again, this is just an alpha test, we only have a few of our resources actually available in the demo. So a lot of these items aren't in the game at all yet. So yeah, that's why some are like blacked out and some are just gone, literally like just gone. But yeah, hopefully that makes sense. We don't have a lot of items in this test demo. DNA, I have no DNA either. So I literally don't have any monsters on my team right now. So that's embarrassing, but that's okay. Anyway, so I've been playing around with some of these gate particles. The gates are not going to be in the main like area. The gates are used for inside of the dungeons. So these obviously actually don't exist in the overworld like this. But yeah. Anyway, game's super laggy right now. That's not good. But yeah, so this is Monster Tribe, guys. If this looks interesting to you, you haven't seen anything, because there's a lot going on in this game. But yeah. Anyway, so we don't need to do any gameplay at the moment. So let's get to some coding and stuff. I need to find a few items here, or a few like art sprites first and foremost. Whoa, yeah, Leonard, the game has been getting improved quite a lot, guys. I need 50 likes ASAP. Let's go 50 likes right now for Monster Tribe. This game is getting hype, so we gotta give it the hype that it needs to survive. Beautiful work. Thank you, Vittorio. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Mickey is here. Dresbalo is here. Man, you didn't have your unlocks in Shield Shock, and now you don't even have monsters in Monster Tribe. Yeah, I know. Guys, I was on voice chat in the Discord server yesterday. We're gonna try to do those a lot more often. I haven't been on a voice chat in the Discord in like months, but I want to try to do them at least like once a week or something, just to catch up with you guys and see what's going on. Ancient Dragon, don't spam. I appreciate the hype and the enthusiasm, but I like to see all of your messages. Boy, hello, do you remember me from the last 2 streams? I think I do, man. I think I do, Potato. How was your last 24 hours, Reece? Yeah, it was pretty good, man. Honestly, like, rough morning, but things are good now. So anyway, so hold on, let me find what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the ruins, which I think is in the house object. Is this it? No, this is not what I'm looking for. All right, let's go back. I think it's just called ruins, if I'm not mistaken. But honestly, my files are so like messy right now, it's actually impossible to find anything. Okay, there we go. So I just need this. This is all I need. This is all I need. I always forget what the shadow is in this. So hold up. Let's see. What is the shadow? Damn. Hold up, guys. Can you show the hotbar code on screen later? I'll try to, yeah. If I remember, yes. The Discord stream was hilarious. Yo, I had so much fun on that Discord stream. Thanks for coming out yesterday, guys. I appreciate it. If you missed it, just join the Discord and select the role. Where is it? Yeah, so we were in the main voice chat yesterday. We had some fun. We're all just chilling in there and chatting. So if you want to, for next time, just enable this role. So just click on this button and you'll get the voice chat role. And whenever I am going to do like a big voice chat, I'll just ping this. I'm not going to ping it all the time because sometimes it'd be nice to just talk to like 1 or 2 people. Whoever's just like on the Discord right at that moment. But, you know, sometimes I'll ping that. Imagine having 100 people talking at the same time. That would actually be chaotic. Like, so chaotic. Okay, so anyway, let's get this done. Literally all I need to find is one thing that has a shadow. This is the old lab inside. I need to fix this, because this is ugly. This is real ugly. But for now, we're just gonna yeet all this stuff out of this room. I guess I should save this out as a different sprite, just so we don't break it or like lose progress. I'm gonna try to focus today. Sorry if that hurts your feelings, guys. I'm gonna try to focus and get work done though today. So I'll always be looking at chat, but you know, I'm gonna try to get some work done. We are 1 like away, guys. 50 likes is approaching. Let's make it happen. We are so close. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to just change this color scheme, because this is not the color scheme of the regular place. The regular, what do you call it? The laboratory. So I just want to use these colors that we're using in the thing. Just got into pixel art. 50 likes. Yes, thanks guys. I appreciate it. You guys are hype. I'm just gonna merge all of this down so I can recolor everything. All right, too many sprites open right now. Okay. Yeah, let me close down every tab I don't need. I'm confusing myself right now. I'm straight up so confused. Okay. So there we go. Now at least this thing is fine. And then we're gonna go in here and probably just like do the same thing with these colors as well. That's a lot. That's a lot of the same color. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So live Reece Gaming. What's going on, Corker? Square Eyes, Shoja, Stinger Dev. How we doing? What is the model of your microphone? It's Blue Yeti. I don't know. Blue Yeti something. It's not a snowball. It's the other one. So whatever the other one is, that's what it is. I think we got to do something different for that. There we go. Okay, nice and sexy here. So hold up. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Breadcrumbs and beaver spit. What are you guys talking about? You actually confuse me so much. Like sometimes I get so confused. This makes it look really like dark and flat, so I don't like that. But I do want to keep the color scheme a little bit similar. Maybe there's a brighter color that we can use. Actually, maybe not. This definitely is the brightest color. Oh, we didn't use it though. Okay. There we go. I'm cool with this for now. I think this works for the time being. Literally this room is too big for what it needs to do. Literally all this room is gonna have is this thing. It's just gonna have this the save totem. Obviously not with the grass on it, but it's literally just gonna have the save totem just like chilling in the room. And that's like that's the only purpose to this room. So it's a little overkill, but it's okay. It's all right. I don't necessarily want to take the time to like make this smaller. Maybe I should. Boom. And then should probably be a little skinnier. Yeah, how's everybody doing? How's everyone doing? I enjoy this game. Your game is cool. I shout out you and support you. You're very kind and smart on coding. I can't code. I'm a dumb little boy. Can't you teach me one day? Potato, thank you for your kind words. I can't teach you how to code because I don't know how to code myself. I'm not a very good coder. So maybe not. I can try. But that's all we can do is try. Guys, give life your best. And don't worry about the rest. I'm not a rapper, but your boy has knowledge. Okay, so what's going on here? I think that, like, this is a small enough room now. I think it's, like, it's a nice little cute room. Actually, this side's still, like, a little long, in my opinion. There we go. Perfect. Nice little box. I'm working on my Game Jam game. Yo, I'm actually so hyped. Like, you guys make me so excited. I'm so excited to play all of your games and just stream and play games and have fun. It's gonna be a good time. I can guarantee that. You guys excited for me to fail at playing your games? Like, I'm not good at video games. If you've been watching me for any amount of time longer than 10 seconds, you will know that I'm not a very good gamer. I make games, I don't really play them. At least, well, I don't play them well. So, don't hate me if I can't beat your game. Because it's only natural. Okay, sweet. I'm cool with this lab inside now, so I'm just gonna export this. I want there to be some kind of like extraness though to this. Man, can someone make a game like Riddle School again? I don't know what that is. Riddle School? I don't think I've ever heard of that. You guys like this extra shading here? Look at this. Bam. Actually, that looks kind of weird. There we go. I like it. I like it. I love Riddle School. Guys, I've never heard of Riddle School. I don't know what that is. Madman Plays. What's going on, man? Luan Zin. Can y'all please stop pinging the man nonstop? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Don't worry about it. Retro, how you doing, man? Glitcha. Rescue Squad Culp. Evan. Look it up. Oh, okay, you guys better not be... This better be a good game. We gotta postpone the stream so we can look up Riddle School. I hope it's a good game. I trust you guys. Is this like the new fad? Am I too old for this? What is Crazy Games? Do you guys know what Crazy Games is? Is this like a popular website now? Riddle School. I don't know, guys. Like, this game's not looking too sick. I won't lie. But I've never played it, so I can't judge. I can't judge. Okay, so I'm gonna save this out now. I love making fun of you guys. Riddle School Let's Play, LMAO. Yo, no. Not me, not today. Not today, man. Nostalgia. When did that game come out? This is actually pretty old. Really? I've never heard of that or seen that. Okay. This bothers me, but I think we have to keep it. I guess it should be like this. Okay, anyway. Let's save this out, and then we're just going to start importing all this stuff into the game. So export as lab inside PNG. And then all I need to do is find this shadow color. This is so frustrating. Oh, okay, never mind. I know an easy way for me to find that. Let's just go into a resource. And then grab this color. That's all I wanted. That is all I wanted. So now we can just get rid of this color. And put in the new color. And that is our shadow. There we go. Jesus. Okay. Let's get some work done. Do you challenge me to speedrun Monster Tribe? I actually do. I can't wait for you guys to play it. There's going to be some like kind of speedrun elements in the game. Because it's an open world game, we're going to also have like things like every battle kind of has like a scoring system. And so the better you do in the battles, like the more XP you would earn. So in return, you would have to do less battles to level up. You know what I mean? Yeah. Less battles to level up, and then in turn you can progress in the game faster. So there will definitely be like speed running elements. It's not a speed running game. It's obviously a story RPG game, but I personally love when games can kind of have that like challenge element where you're just like trying to master it or something. So I'm a Nuzlocke it. Yo, that would actually be hype. I probably won't like specifically make like an actual mode. Like maybe, but I think that's just a lot to like do. But yeah, it would definitely be cool if you guys kind of like tried something like that. That would be interesting. I need to get rid of these gates now because there shouldn't be gates in the overworld. Actually, you know what? There should be one gate. There should be one gate, and this what's gonna happen here is, oh god. So I actually need a gate right here. Oh, never mind. This needs to be way down here. Okay, so the gate's gonna be like right here. And the point of this gate is so that you can't transition into the next clearing room. So what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna pop up a little thing here, and it's just gonna say like, what is it gonna say? It's gonna say like, you cannot pass this, or I don't know. It's just gonna be one of those like those things where it's like, maybe I should do this first before leaving the village or something. So it'll just be a little pop-up. You'll have to do something before you can actually adventure into the wilderness, which is basically talking to the blacksmith in this house here, who's gonna start you off with your first quest, and will give you your first tool. You don't start the game with any tools, but there's a pickaxe, there's a wood cutting axe, and there's a fishing rod. So he'll give you the pickaxe to start the game. So yeah, is it going to release on Switch? Actually, yes, it will. Unless for some reason something goes wrong where, I don't know. To my knowledge, yes, this game will be on the Switch. We got the okay. We can get the dev kit. We'll probably get the dev kit in a couple months from now, just so we can like start testing the game on the Switch during development, so that even when it's not optimized, like our game is very, very not optimized, at least like to the extent that it should be. So yeah, there's a lot to do and fix, but it would be nice to start testing the Switch thing. Anyway, let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. Also, I already set this up where the gate actually, the particles emit based on the size of the, what do you call it? Based on the size of the gate. So I'm happy about that. Okay, cool. Please check mods chat on Discord. JGM, man. Is this urgent? Is this something that's like super urgent? Do I have to check this right now? Why do I have 25 Discord notifications, guys? What's going on? What's going on? So somebody asked, can someone be on more than one team for the game jam? I think that's fine. I think that's fine. Somebody also asked me if they could make multiple games for the game jam, and I also said that was fine. I think if you have the time, again, the whole point of this game jam is just to have fun and make games together, and yeah, just have fun. So, if you guys want to, team up and make a couple of different games, by all means, that's fine by me. Okay, so we're outside now. What was I supposed to do? Oh yeah, I want to just check to make sure that the gate works. Does the gate work? Yes. So yeah, we can't actually cross this until we do something. So I'll have a little dialogue pop up as well, and it'll just say something, whatever it's gonna say. But yeah, that's cool. I like that. Any boss fights? Not for the demo, not currently. There will be six boss fights throughout the game, but again, guys, we're like 8 or 9 months out from finishing development, so in time. We can collect berries at least. Okay, let's see if we can do some questing. I'm not going to do too much. I don't want to spoil everything. So I'm just going to skip through all this dialogue so you guys don't actually see everything that's going on with the story and the game. But as you see, when we talk to the blacksmith, now I have a pickaxe and I can actually mine stuff. So that's cool. Game's a little laggy. Sorry about that. Every time I stream while playing the game at the same time, it's a little iffy. But yeah, so anyway, so then we can go into the save system, and this should be able to save our game. I might crash the game right now. I'm purposely trying to crash the game, because obviously you have to look for errors and stuff. Cool. So all this stuff is fixed. My brother's been working like a lot on just fixing this stuff and getting all the bugs fixed. But yeah, so before it would crash the game because if I had no creatures, I could still select actions, and so it would try to pull up an actions list for a monster that doesn't exist. So it looks like that's good. A lot of what we have to do now, I mean, there is a lot that we still have to do, but a lot of what we have to do is really just finishing, fixing up these bugs and finishing the actual story elements of the alpha test. Okay, so apparently when I go in here, it just resets me back because there's no laboratory room. Okay, I don't want to play this too much. Like you guys got to play this yourselves. So I'm gonna get out of here. I don't want to spoil everything. Sorry, guys. That UI is so crispy. It's actually not. I'm gonna redo the entire UI at some point. But thank you, Andrew. I appreciate it. Thank you, Daddy Reece. No worries, Ian. Why do people keep calling me their dad now? It's like once you are above a certain amount of subscribers, people just think that you're a father figure now, I guess. That's an interesting occurrence. I don't know what to say about that. Does anyone recommend GameMaker 2? Yes, I do. I wanted to make Circle Boy Evades the FBI, my dream game, but I don't know what to use. I would recommend GameMaker 2, GameMaker Studios 2. It's what I'm using, and I think Monster Tribe is a decently like big game, so it definitely can handle itself. But I mean, it's up to you. It's up to what you're trying to do. I've been having a lot of fun with Construct as well. So, any leaks for bosses? I literally couldn't leak it even if I tried, even if I wanted to, because we haven't made any of the bosses yet. Obviously, the bosses are just going to be like, it's going to be like basically like big versions of monsters that exist, but we haven't designed any of the legendary monsters yet. So, yeah, I literally couldn't leak boss fights even if I wanted to. Sorry, Potato. Okay. Let's check the list and see what's going on. So right now we're working on the lab inside, which is fine. I got to throw some bookshelves in as well, but let's start importing this stuff. So is there a laboratory? Bear with me here. I don't know where half the half the actual items are, or like things are. I don't know where things are. But we do need to replace this, because obviously this is not the actual tower. So where did I save my files? Hopefully I can find this quickly. There it is. Boom. Perfect. So now we have our new dungeon sprite. And I'm just going to set this collision box up a little bit nicer. There we go. So that should work. So now we have our new dungeon sprite, which should update in the clearing room. So let's see. Reece, what do the gates do? So there's different, if you guys saw, there are 3 different gates. So there's the blue gate, the purple gate, and the red gate. Basically what they are is they're just like walls and doors for the dungeon. So inside of the dungeons, I'll show you guys the dungeons in a bit, because I'm actually gonna have to, oh, this has got to move a little bit. This got to move. Okay, there we go. I mean, the save totem's like pretty big. It's like the same size as the dungeon. But it's cool. It's cool. Anyway, so gates are, yeah, they're basically just like, oh my god, what am I doing? They're just like doors and collisions for inside of the dungeons. So there's like different totems. Here, I'll show you. I always talk without any visuals, which is pretty dumb. Because I'm such a visual thinker that I like see it in my head, and like I forget that other people don't. You know what I mean? I'm weird. I'm weird. Anyway, so without spoiling the entire dungeon, I'm just gonna look right in this box right now. So basically, gates like this, you could have like a purple gate, which is like a toggleable gate. It's a gate that if you activate a switch, it'll disappear momentarily and then will reactivate. So it's kind of like a timer thing. Blue gates are just like collisions that exist, and if you do a certain thing, then they're just gone. And red gates, oh wait, no, sorry, I messed that up. Blue gates are just collisions in the room, so they're for different purposes. Red gates are to leave the dungeon, and then purple gates are to advance into the next room, like further down in the dungeon. So it's kind of like a leaving, entering, and just a wall collision. I don't know why that took me so long to explain. I don't know. What happened? I'm new. Welcome. I love seeing new people in my streams. Can't relate. I don't have a brain. That sucks, man. That sucks. Is Monster Tribe a dungeon crawler? Not really. I mean, we have dungeons. It's like the whole Zelda situation. Like I wouldn't call Zelda a dungeon crawler necessarily. Maybe some of you would. I don't know. But like, yeah, we have dungeon areas in our game, but okay, hold up. I think I need to move this over one spot. This is so finicky. Oh my god, please. There we go. All right. We can close out of that now. I'm drawing stuff while you explain. Yeah, I hope you know, you guys can get some work done or something while I stream, because today is not supposed to be a super entertaining stream. I legitimately have a lot of work to do. I'm an idiot. I disconnected my mic. Can you guys hear me okay? Okay. Chat, I need you back. You're muted. Yeah. Am I good now? Yes, you can hear me. Nice. I'm just chilling, watching, because I've been busy with school, isolation stuff. Yeah, man. Just chill. Just chill. If you want to get some work done, get some work done. But if not, just chill. That's all I'm here for. Okay. I get very distracted. So I think the next thing that we have to do is we have to actually just import the actual room. But I don't know where that sprite would go necessarily. So, let's see. I think I gotta create a lab room. Folder for the labs. Let's see. Buddy Games. Thank you so much, man. Thank you for the super chat. You're going up on the board. Guys, first super chat of the day. Hold on, let me shoot him in the chat. Or on the board. If you guys want to be on the board, all you gotta do is give me your wallets. Give me your credit card number. Only half kidding. Anyway, so thank you so much, man. Hype in the chat for Buddy Games. Your donation is much appreciated, man. Sucks that I think if there's like a certain like a low amount, I don't think you can send a message, which is kind of annoying. So if there's anything you want to say, just ping me, Buddy Games. Hey Reece, I'm back. Welcome back, Chandu. Sorry. Hype. Yeah, hype. When are you releasing your game? I'm gonna say about Q1 2022. So not for a while, but the alpha is coming out very soon. Alpha's coming out very soon. I'll show you. So the last update that I put on the Monster Tribe update said Monster Tribe alpha test coming soon. So June 25th is when the alpha test comes out. It's not going to be public. It's only going to be available for our Kickstarter backers that backed above the alpha test, which is $30 Canadian. So the beta game access tier and below, I think it's about 100 people, or maybe, I guess it's a little bit more than that. Jesus Christ. People donate way too much money to this. Damn. Yeah, it's a bit over 100 people that are going to get access to this, I guess. But, yeah. So, anyway, everybody above the $30 price point from the Kickstarter is going to get access to the closed beta, or closed alpha test. It's strictly just for people to kind of get an understanding of what the game is, bring in a small amount of people, and then over the next couple months we'll start getting more people in there and stuff. But right now it's just for our Kickstarter backers. I only pre-ordered. Don't worry about it, man. You'll get access. You will have the ability to potentially get access to the alpha soon, ish. I know it's super vague, but that's how it is. That's how it be. Okay, here we go. The town. There we go. So I think we should create a lab group. And then in here, I want to create a new sprite. Okay, so let's import this lab inside here. And so we're literally just going to slap this in the room. Which is right here. Do I make this a background? I actually don't know how this works. Yeah, I do. Okay, cool. So the background sprite is going to be right in here. Oh god. I'm losing it, guys. Town, lab inside. There we go. Okay, nice. That is a tiny room. Damn. 256 by 256. Okay, that should be good. Actually, we might have to make this a little bit bigger. So hold on. Let me just make it a little bigger. Boom. Rainland, thank you for reminding me. Yes, guys, like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Guys, I'm actually like so excited to hit 20K. We're so close. We're about 800 subscribers away now. I think we're just about to hit 19.2K. I can't wait to hit 20K. Like for me, that was always like my big milestone that I wanted to hit. After that, I don't really care too much about like, I mean, obviously I care, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Okay, so how do we leave? How do we leave this place? I'm just gonna grab this object, copy it. I'm doing a lot of nonsense right now, but I want to create a bookcase lab, and I'll just throw that in the lab. Actually, you know what? I think these are going to be the same. I'm going to keep it the same for now. I might change the color of them because right now they're made out of wood. I might make them out of similar material of what the lab is, but for now, I think I'll leave it. I think I'll leave it for the time being. Okay. Give him your money. Who am I giving money to? Or is somebody giving me money? What's going on? Hey, Reece, never hold myself. Always depending on someone to. And now I lost everyone and I'm lost in the world. Any tips? Dude, that's deep, man. Trigo, I hope you're doing okay, man. You have us, though. We've been trying to communicate a lot more as a community. And it's been a lot of fun. So if you ever need some friends, honestly, just jump in the voice chat, ask some people to hang out, and I'm sure you'll meet a lot of nice friends. And like, that's not me just trying to like promote the thing. I just legitimately like want to create a proper space for people to just talk and make friends. So, yeah, man, I hope things get better. Okay, what was I doing? I feel like I'm psyching myself out right now. I'm trying to do 50 things at once, and I'm just not getting anything done. Okay, I want to put a door in the lab. That's what I want to do. Okay, where is the door sprite? It's so hard to find things. There we go. Door. I need this door. Boom. All right. Reece, you should add fossils for monsters and a fossil machine to create the monsters. Dude, I wish I could, but for this game, we're just sticking with like, what do you call it? All right, I got to find the location of where we need to get out of here from. So 620 around. Okay, let's do like right here. So 624 by 336. 624, 326. Was it 336 or 326? I don't remember anymore. I don't remember. Guys, let's hit 100 likes and then I'll play some music from the game. We're like 2 likes away. Sounds like a perfect opportunity to develop a new hobby. Yes, that's actually true. Friends exist? Yes, friends actually do exist, man. I promise you. Okay, that should be good. So that's basically just going to be like where the door brings us to. I'm gonna just move this door back just in case, so we can't like access the lab. Oh wait, no, hold on. We need to go into the lab room. That would definitely be helpful. So if the lab rock does not exist, we're gonna go into our lab. At player 0, so I need to set. Where do we want to spawn? 160 by 224. 160 by 224. 160, 224. Now I have to figure out why we got booted out. Because before we were just getting booted. Which I'm just gonna delete this code here. I actually don't think we need this code because we'll never be able to access the inside of the rock, or like we'll never be able to access this door if the rock is there because the collision will stop us. Yo, what's going on, Dastley? Okay, we'll listen to some music real soon. I promised you guys I would throw on some of the Monster Tribe music if we got 100 likes, so I'll definitely do that. Any Canadian viewers? Yes, I'm a Canadian viewer. I am a Canadian viewer. Where's everybody from? Guys, shoot it down below. Where are you guys from? I'm going to look at the chat for the next 20 seconds. I want to see where are you guys from. If everyone subscribes, I mean everyone that ever watched your videos, maybe we could get to 1 million subscribers. So subscribe. Maybe we could get to 1 million. Don't you mean when we get to 1 million? Come on, Ryland. Port Jervis, Chile, London, Ontario. That's actually really close to where I am. US, Belgium, Pakistan. I'm actually from the Void. Nice. You guys are honestly so annoying. You guys are so annoying. Oh, God. I don't think my game is saving. Okay, yeah, so we can't get in the lab. I'm just gonna try. I'm gonna try my hardest to glitch the game out. But yeah, we can't get in the lab, so we're good. So now, if we go back and complete the quest, now we have a pickaxe, and then we should be able to mine this down, and then hopefully, first try, we can just enter the lab with no issues. While I mine down this rock, let's see. Ajax, Ontario. Dang, that's also very close. You guys are playing like what's it called? Not hot potato. No, not the lab. That's not the room I wanted. Damn it. Okay, we need what's this room called? Our laboratory. That's why. Okay, guys, don't worry. Don't worry. We're good. We're good. We're good. I sent us to the wrong room. I sent us to the 2-player versus mode by accident. You have a place in Tobermory? I had a cottage in Tobermory up until like 2 months ago. So that's kind of hype, man. Tobermory is a nice place. It's like, I think it's like 3 hours from where I'm at. I'm following the Blender tutorial and have a Bermuda for a donut. Dude, yeah. Who's done the donut tutorial from Blender? I feel like anybody that's ever done 3D modeling has done that donut tutorial. Swear on my life. That's so funny. Sorry we keep having to redo this quest, but apparently saving's not in the game right now. Oh, whoops. I clicked too many times and I broke the game. That's not good. That is not good, guys. I broke the game. Instructions unclear. Made the Eiffel Tower instead of a donut. Yo, that would be pretty hype, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like that's a big achievement. That's a big achievement. Goodbye, Buddy Games. I have a question. Yeah, if you guys have questions, make sure to ping me in the chat so I can see it pop up. But yes, what is your question? I have a question. I have been wanting to make pixel art for my game in Unity, but I can't find a good software to use that is free. What are your recommendations? So what I'm doing for my course right now, I'm creating a pixel art course right now, and I had recommended Piskel, but I think the best option is LibreSprite. LibreSprite is basically what it is it's Aseprite before Aseprite became a paid software. So Aseprite used to be what do you call it? All right, guys, everybody, cross your fingers in the chat. Cross your fingers in the chat for this to work. I really hope this works, guys. I'll be devastated if this doesn't work. Oh, God. Okay. Let's go, baby. We're in it to win it. We are in. We are in. I have no fingers. Crossing fingers. Thanks. Thanks, guys. Yes, we are in the lab now, but it doesn't have collisions, and we can actually see the black outside. So yeah, we got to fix some stuff. But that's okay, because now, boom, look at that. Bang. And then we go in here, and then boom. We're good to go. That's hype. That's hype. So now we got to throw the save totem in the thing there, and we should be good. Should be good to go. So let's remove this. We don't want the save totem outside. We want it inside the room. I need this color. Okay, watch this. Boom. That's all I needed to do. Because if we turn off collisions, now the color matches. So now it's like there's actually like guns on the wall. Kind of hype. Not gonna lie. How's it going, Reece? Yo, Cosmic, what's going on, dude? Do I need a formal college degree for game development? If you feel that's necessary for you, then I would say, honestly, like, I don't think it's a bad decision. Do you need one? No. I have no formal education in game development, nor do I have any formal education in anything that I'm doing. So I don't think you need it necessarily, but I do always think it's a good thing to have backup options. I kind of screwed myself because I do not really have backup options. But for me, like, honestly, I'm cool with that. Like, it gives me a little extra challenge, honestly. That's kind of how I feel about it. My life is a video game. And, like, if I screw up, honestly, it is what it is. But I feel extremely confident in what I'm doing, so for me, I don't care too much. But in most case scenarios, do as what is said, not as what is done. And, you know, get some backup options. Okay. So we're gonna add some collisions to this, and then also I need to make sure that this background is the same color. So hold up. Let me find that color. Do as I say, not as I do. Or do as I do. Honestly, the choice is yours to make. Whether it's a successful choice or an unsuccessful choice. I know some of you think this, but I'm not your father's, your dad. I'm not your dad. So you can do whatever you feel is necessary for you. Okay. So hold up. I think I gotta move the position a little bit up because I don't want the character to appear in the room and be able to open the door right away. That is silly. So let's move this down a little bit. Perfect. So let's do like right here maybe. What is this? That's 220 on the Y. Perfect. Do monsters get to stroll around town with you? Unfortunately not. You will have a little guide guy though. I'll show you. You'll have a little follower guy that does stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find him. Oh, I found him. So yeah, you'll have it's just one guy, but he can also fuse. So all monsters can fuse. This guy can also fuse. He's not an actual monster. You can't battle with him, but he does stuff in the game. He follows you around and will do stuff in the game. He's not in the alpha though. He's not in the alpha test yet. Sleeping is the free trial of... Yo, what are you guys saying, man? Jesus. Evan, man. What's going on? He left us just like my dad did. Dude, yo, you guys need to chill out. You guys need to chill out. I'm not Dr. Phil. Oh my god. I'm out here just trying to get some work done on my game, and you guys are asking me for... Oh god. You guys are asking for too much right now. Too much. God damn. He's cute. So cute. Yeah, I actually really like the little guy. He's definitely pretty rad. Okay, I think we gotta move this bad boy. Jesus. Why did that move so much? Okay. I feel like I shouldn't do this yet. I want to move it because the shadow is like on the path, which is not proper. So I want to move it back a little bit, but I'm scared. I'm scared too. All right, let's move it back a couple pixels. Did that work? I think it did, but I'm honestly not too sure about this one. This one's good though. I hate moving stuff. It's so frustrating. Oh my god. Guys, I'm in like focus zen mode right now. Okay, hopefully that's good. Will there be creative ways to kill enemies? Well, there's just battles, right? So there's definitely creative ways to create like team compositions and stuff, but not necessarily creative ways to destroy enemies. What programming language do you use? Santiago. I use GameMaker Studios 2. What's your game about, man? I like all the new people coming in here. Guys, if you like what you see, follow along with the devlog series and give your boy a subscribe. But yeah, so the game, I'll show you in a sec. It's just compiling right now, but the game is an open world RPG. It's a monster catcher. So I grew up on games like Pokemon and stuff like that. So this is kind of like my childhood dream game is what I call it, because I've had this idea in my head for a game like this for a long time. Not exactly this, but similar. So we should still not be able to access this. Yeah, okay. So we can't get into the door, but these things are pushed back now. So they're actually like sitting where they should, which is good. So I got to do this quest for the 15th time today because data's not saving. I don't know if it's supposed to, but it's not. So let's just complete the quests and go mine that rock. Most rocks, well, most resources in the game do come back, but obviously this is more like a story mission, so that one does not. And there we go. Now we can actually access this thing, and everything's on the grass, which is nice. So we access, and boom, we're in the lab, which is empty. So we just got to throw on an extra thing. And why is this background still not working? That's interesting. Why is that not working? Okay, so in the lab, Yeah, what? I already used that color. What's going on, guys? What is going on? Oh, I guess I have to horizontally tile it or something. Oh no, I did this on the wrong layer, maybe. Oh no, I never mind. Okay, I see what I did. I see what I did here. There we go. So this should work now. This should work. Spoilers, not playing the game now. Wow, I hate you, Mickey. I hate you. Looking at the animation of hitting the big lab rock it doesn't show a reaction. Which would make me confused and think it isn't doing anything. That's a good suggestion, actually. Yeah, maybe I can like do it that it constantly does something to it. But we just got to focus on... Oh, wait, hold on. I don't even need to test this, to be honest. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I'm like 99% confident that this is going to work now. So all I have to do is I have to throw the save totem in the lab here. So let's find that. Where is the save totem? There it is. Let's throw that bad boy in there, and that's all we need to do. That's good. I like that. That's literally all we need in this room right now. The laboratory will be a lot more complex when the game's actually a thing, but right now the only purpose for it is just the first save totem. So yeah, that's fine. Oh, and then we need to throw some bookshelves in here as well. So where would bookshelves be? Not man-made. Terrain? Is this? No. Why would it be in terrain? Guys, I just want to find... Oh, okay, there it is. There it is. Bookshelf. Okay, so let's throw some bookshelves in here as well. I don't know if they should have spacing, but for now they have spacing. Okay, there we go. So now there's some bookshelves. There's going to be like some stuff, some information stored in these bookshelves, but for now there is not. So that is good. I guess I should also throw some collisions on in the laboratory room. So let me do that. And then let me recoup. I'm going to look at chat. Let's have a few conversations, and then I'll get back to doing more stuff. I just get like so confused when I'm streaming. I get so caught up and then don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so where would the collision object be? Like this should be something that's like really easy to find, right? Is like the collision collider object. There it is. Oh, wall. Okay. Slap some collisions down. Okay. Nice. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. So the laboratory should be done now. That should be fine. You can read some information about how the game works, and you can access the first save totem in the game. And then you'll also be able to stop the energy from releasing. So how are you, Reece? I'm doing good. I'm doing good, Mickey. How are you doing? Guys, how we doing? Leave an emoji in the chat as to how you're feeling right now. I hope I see a lot of smiles. How does live chat work? You send in a message and I can read your chat. That's it. When you're looking for objects, why don't you just use the search bar? That's a good point. I never use that, and I really should. That is a good point. That is a good point. Starlight Gem. All right. It's not good. It's not bad. Straight-faced. Okay. So let's see what's on the list. Let's see what's on the objective. Actually, hold on. I gotta stop running this game. I see you guys in the Boundless Game Jam. You guys talk a lot in here. Anyway, so damn, there's a lot to do still. Lab inside, done. Dungeon outside sprite, done. TP inside, I guess we can populate the TP insides. So we'll do that. And then we can decorate the rest of the maps. And then I'll probably do the main menu and victory screen off stream because it's really hard to get work done on stream. But yeah, as you guys can see on Friday here, look at this, guys. Thumbnail and video upload. So I'll be uploading the next Monster Tribe devlog this Friday, along with the actual alpha test for the Kickstarter backers on Friday as well. And then yeah, so that's what Friday is. Friday is kind of the come down day. It's gonna be a more relaxed day. Thursday looks very empty, but I think Thursday is going to be the like hardest day of this week because there's so many bugs and glitches and things to fix and work at. So Thursday is literally just going to be a day of like running the game 100,000 times and fixing stuff. Okay, do you guys have any questions for me before we move on? I'm going to give you guys some time to ask me some questions while I have some time. Just ping me in the chat so I can see it and then ask your question. Anything goes, Monster Tribe related, game dev related, YouTube related, whatever you want to ask me. Choice is yours. Oh, right. I was supposed to show you guys some of the music. So let's pause, chill hop for a second. And I'm going to run some of the music for the game. How long will the public rating period for the jam be held for? I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think it runs until July 4th. I could be wrong, though. Anyway, so hold on. Where is the music? Let's find some of the music. So, I might have to download one of the new tracks. I'm not going to show you guys all the music, but here's a few of the tracks. We have a few more tracks, but this is most of the tracks that we have so far. How many tracks in total are we going to have? Let's go to the Monster Tribe board. Oh god. Yo, they changed this thing. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's play a track first. So let me test with the audio levels. I'm just going to bring the desktop audio real high right now, so you guys can hear. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's pretty quiet. Can you guys hear that okay? Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down in chat. But yeah, you guys have probably heard this song many times because I use it in a lot of my game jams. Or not game jams. I use it in a lot of my devlog videos. This is devlog music. Yeah, I really like that like, I don't know, I wanted to just get like a lot of the music kind of like characterized like through the devlog so that when you guys hear them in the game, you can kind of relate them to the devlog videos and stuff. So there should be around 22. There's probably gonna be around 25 tracks. So yeah, this is a little inaccurate. I have to actually go over it with Leonard, and we have to really organize this stuff because there's so many sound effects and music that we still have to do, and things to get done that it's just kind of all over the place. So yeah, definitely need to fix that stuff. But literally, like, honestly guys, Leonard has been killing it. He's been killing it. So I'll play a few of the newer tracks. There's some older tracks that we've gotten that we've had for like months and months and months. This game's been in development for over a year now. So some of these tracks were when the game, or when the devlog series first started, and like there was, you know, nothing going on. I'm gonna move this off onto my second screen so that you guys can actually see some visuals. Uh-oh. I messed that up. Hold up. So, oh man, there's some really exciting stuff with how the music is. For example, we're going to be doing some fading tracks where basically we have 2 tracks. And so as you get further into the wilderness, it goes from the one track, like the more chill wilderness track, to like the dungeon theme. And so the further you are in the wilderness, the one audio will kind of fade in and the other one will fade out more. So it's actually really cool. I think it's interesting. Isto Inc. 2. Nice. Oh shit, what up? Wrong YouTube channel, man. Wrong YouTube channel. But anyway, yeah, so let's get some music that you guys probably have never heard in your life. Because some of these are from devlogs and stuff. So here's the mines, which is a little bit more like devious almost. I'm just gonna skip like halfway through. This is very casual stuff right now, but it's really just like super backgroundy music for inside of the caves. Okay. So what are we doing now? We got to populate the inside of the other rooms. Are there actually this many teepees? Oh my god. This is silly. Alright. Watch this track now. Clearing theme. I don't know if this is finished, but This track's a bop. You know what it reminds me of, actually? This track, if you guys can hear it, reminds me of like almost like swords and magic and stuff or whatever. The game that Michael is making. I don't know if you can hear it though. I'll stop talking and then maybe you guys can hear it. Okay, I might not actually do this on the stream. Anyway, this track's really quiet, so I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I'll do one more for you guys. I'll do one more. I'm trying to listen to the music that's going to be in the test demo. Isto, what are you talking about, dude? He crushed 20,000 pound rocks with his bare hands, and he sculpted what's now known as Ontario. What? What? He's too humble to talk about it on stream. Yeah, I literally built Ontario. Leonard outdid himself. This guy's a genius, man. I'm just gonna skip forward. Yeah, these tracks are really quiet, so I don't know if you guys can hear them. When you first started making the game, besides the movement, of course, what was the first thing created in the game? Other than the idea, other than the concept, I think the battles actually was pretty early on. The very, very beginning portions of it. Anyway, I'm not gonna do this on stream because this is gonna take a long time to create all these different TPs, and that's gonna be kind of annoying. But I'll definitely get to it today. So let's check the Trello list and see what's on the list. But yeah, so this is the burnt forest theme. Can we get more upbeat songs after this? I need to bop my head. Yes. I will. I promise. But yeah, this one's actually hype. I love this one. It's the burnt forest, so it's dead. It's very dead. Will there be a house building system? Unfortunately, no. The character just lives in a teepee, actually. He's not exactly the wealthiest of people. Alright, this track you guys know. This track you guys have to know. If you've watched the devlog, you guys know this track. This is also one of the earlier tracks made, and it's pretty hype. I think this is a head bop song, right? I would say so. Ah, yes. I know this track. Yeah. It's what I use almost in every video as a closing. It's actually the opening, the main menu theme. It's the main theme for the game. It's the opening main menu stuff. But I always use it purposely for that reason. I use it to close off all of my devlogs, or at least most of them. Okay, let's listen to one more and then I'll throw chill hop back on because I don't want to do all the music. What's Monster Tower Draft 1? I actually don't even know what this is. Right. I remember what that is. Okay, we're not going to listen to that. Somebody requested upbeat music. I got you. And then after this, we'll throw back on chill hop and I'll get back to work. Lenia makes killer soundtracks. Jesus Christ. Yeah, he actually does. It reminds me of the trailer song. Yeah, the trailer song is a bop. If you guys want to listen, or if you guys want to look at the trailer, that music is so sick. I told Leonard, I said, hey man, when we're doing this trailer, we have to get this to hit really hard. We got to make this super sick. And so I'll just throw it in the chat. But yeah, the music for this one was really cool, and it was handcrafted for the trailer, so there's no off points, I don't think. It was all crafted from a script, and then Leonard brought that script into music, and then we reiterated on it a few times, and then that is how we made the trailer or whatever. But yeah, the music in this trailer was I think awesome. So very, very well done from Leonard. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna put chill hop back on just so we can actually focus. So let me find it. Where's chill hop? Can we watch it live? Dude, maybe. Hold on. You guys want to? You guys want to watch the trailer live? I don't know. I've seen that trailer so many times. I don't know. Is that even interesting anymore? Also, let's see who joined the Discord server. Nickel Slicka, welcome. Tusa, Square Eye, Nightmare. I'm naming off all the people that joined since I started streaming. Mac A Doodle, Do. Welcome. Hold on, let me make sure the music's not super overpowering my voice. Should be good. Okay, Pumpkin Fusca, welcome. DU man. Welcome to the Discord. All right. Let's close this down. And now we're going to decorate the maps. So, chilling, yes. Yeah, we're just chilling. Trailer music was 100. Yeah, trailer music was pretty banger. What's the game about because I'm late? You can grab that link and watch that video. Should give you a little idea of, as to what the game is. But the game is, well, there's a lot of monsters in here. Okay, let me try not to like spoil the entire game. But yeah, so we basically want to decorate. So I decorated this cave area, so I want to do that with all the other maps. So the clearing forest area is good. The village is done. The cave 1 is done. Cave 2, I don't think actually exists, so we're gonna leave that. But I gotta do the burnt forest areas. But yeah, so the game, it's an open world monster catcher RPG game. It's set in kind of like a futuristic, but also like, it's like a fantasy, like magical, but also kind of like technologically like futuristic world. Anyway, so yeah, let's decorate these two maps, and then this one is a no, and tower or dungeon 1 we also have to decorate. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this, because then you guys are gonna see a lot of the game, but that's all right. Close your eyes if you don't want to. Again, guys, this isn't the actual game. This is just the alpha demo. So, like, none of these zones are actually going to be in the real game. At least to what we're expecting. Okay, so grass. Let's set a tile set here. And then literally all we're doing is we're just going to go in and populate these zones. So, a little lazy right now, but we're just going to go in and populate these areas. I want to make sure I'm swapping up which things I'm using. This is not a good way to do this. I don't know why I'm doing it like this. I'm like going all over the place. I should have just been doing it like one at a time. But here we are. I'm going to disable the grid so I can see things a little bit better. But yeah, this was not a good idea to do it like this. Whoops. What are the different colors? What are the different colors? Different colors of what? The trees? You talking about the trees? Yeah, now I don't know which tile sets I used. I'm allowed to be an idiot and mess up sometimes, you know? Consider the decoration being procedurally generated. I actually, well, I wanted to originally, but now that the game is kind of like being very much like hand sculpted, I think we want to stay away as much as possible from randomly generated stuff, just so that everybody can experience the same kind of game. So yeah, I definitely thought about it for a while, but I decided against it in the long run. Does this look weird if I have like some of them on the path? I think it is. But yeah, so anyway, this is what we're up to right now. Is just populating the maps. Your boy just made a bunch of random tile sets. And then we can just slap these on in the actual game. Isn't that something? Let's get some decorations down in here. Oh, there we go. I like that. We're using our space to the cleanest. So half the tile set's on the cliff edge and half of it is on the lower side. Like that. Still haven't found Reese's favorite color. If you don't know my favorite color, I feel like you don't deserve to know. When you first started making games, beside the movement of... Oh, wait, no. Right. Oh, you just, like... quoted him. My bad. I already answered that. When do you think you'll publish Monster Tribe? Next year, guys. Next year. Q1 2022. Keep it in your calendars. Keep your wallets open and ready. It's coming. I'm trying to find a tile set that would work here, and I can't find any. I can't find any that are like... Oh, there we go. Boom. Perfect. Let's add a couple more. Just trying to populate this world. Give it some life. Still haven't found Reese's favorite. Yeah, dude, come on, man. Purple. Purple, of course. That's like my entire brand, is just the color purple. Oh, that one's like really close. That actually works though, so we're gonna keep that one. All right, are we good now? Do we populate this enough? I think we did. Oh, that one doesn't work. Okay, we need there we go. These are like super similar. Whoa. Those are super similar. Hope everybody's having a good day. Honestly, that's all I hope for. Is that you guys have you guys enjoy yourselves and have a good time. Purple is my favorite color as well. Yes, man. Like the stream if you enjoy the color purple. Or honestly, like the stream anyway. Okay, I think we're almost done here. I don't want to like overpopulate this too much. Pablo Vian, hi, what's going on, man? How you doing? Like the stream if you like a color. Yeah. That's the new rule. If you like a color, you have to like the stream. Solid. Show of hands, how many of you guys are new here? How many of you are first time watchers today? I should have asked this earlier, but here we are. Okay. Almost done. Almost done. Folks. I think red could be my favorite color. Well then, hopefully you like the burning forest, dude. Or the burnt forest. I always call it the burning forest. It's not a burning forest. The forest isn't on fire. It's burnt down. There we go. Purple is so close to being my favorite color. It's a good one. First time here. Do you stream on Twitch? I don't. I tried it a couple times. And honestly, I like the YouTube family. I like the community that we've built here on YouTube. So I primarily stream on YouTube. And by primarily, I mean like 99% of the time. Okay, I want one that does the same thing as what we did before, where it kind of like crosses between the two. I feel like this is the only one that actually works like that. I think we populated the map enough. Oh, I like that. It's like in the rock. I like that. X-Gen, first time watcher. Reece, you never checked out the vid. What vid? Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is not a full of myself type of comment, but I have a lot of people that ask me to review their content. So if I don't, I'm sorry, I apologize. I don't mean it on purpose. I just, honestly, I sometimes forget. Send it again though. Like, I don't mind when people spam me. As long as it's not unnecessary spam. But yeah, if I forget or something, just let me know. I like just talking to people and stuff, so I like when people shoot me DMs. I don't get bothered by it. Almost done. Almost done. There we go. I'm going to call that finished. As I add more. There's so much to this area. It's such a big area. You know? Such a big zone. I think we're done though. Okay, so that's the burning forest area. So now I'll populate the second burning forest area. And then yeah, I'll be heading out soon-ish after that. Okay, sweet. All right, I'm gonna close this down now. We're done. The devlog guy sent you. Oh, are you guys like the same person? Are you guys the same person? Or I'm confused. Anyway, yeah, I'll check it out, man. I apologize. As I was saying earlier, I forget sometimes. Are you planning on doing something like reacting to my subscribers' pixel art? Honestly, I might do something kind of like that. I might do something kind of like that. When? I'm not too sure, but I think eventually I would be down. Okay, so I can't do this one because we don't have the... It's, the tile set isn't in the game, unfortunately, so I can't populate the dungeons. Okay, so let's do the burnt forest area number 2. And then we'll call it. So, I mean, this area is a lot smaller, so it shouldn't take us nearly as long. I'm going to do this a smart way this time. We're going to go one by one here. And we're just going to fill out this world bit by bit. Gonna lurk as I finish my game's movement. Forgot one thing. What did I forget, man? Master Bear J. That's such a sick name. I like that name. Alright, we got to use this technique again here. We got to split up. Yeah, that works. Nice. Well, I got to re-enable collisions as well. That works. When it's really late, my brain just works at half capacity. Me too, man. That's when I stream for more than like an hour. So right now. Chip Dev. Hi, Reece. I'm a solo developer working on my game full time. I was wondering how much time you would recommend to spend on a project in a healthy way. For example, 40, 50, 80 hours a week. Chip, I'd love to hear more about your story. How long have you been full time? Are you financially full-time, or are you just kind of chilling right now and just want to go into it full-time? But yeah, so I would recommend nothing more than like, actually, I don't know. I can't speak for anybody. I'm just speaking for myself here. I used to work a lot. And honestly, I feel like the reason I worked so much is kind of for stupid reasons. I feel like it was honestly to like to reassure myself. Like, it was out of reassurance. It was out of security for my own self, like my own like self-awareness, because, you know, I feel like I talk about this a lot, and, you know, I hope that's okay. I hope you guys don't get bothered, but for those of you that are new here, when I had left college, like, it was such an embarrassing feeling, and, you know, not actually fully knowing what you're doing or how you're going to do it. You know, when I made that decision, I was confident that I would be able to, you know, figure out my life and make this work full time. But, you know, before things actually start happening, before you see results, it is hard. It is hard to constantly reassure yourself that what you're doing is okay or right, or, you know, whatever it is. But yeah, so I feel like for a while, I feel like I just overworked myself just so I could say like I'm doing something and I'm working towards something. Not the healthiest thing in the world, though. So in those times I was working like between like 60 to 80 hours a week. But I wouldn't recommend that, because it's honestly just, it's too much. It's too much. And you are going to burn out eventually. So now I cap at like 40 hours a week, 40 to 50 hours a week. Right now it's a little bit more than that, because we're working on this, getting this alpha demo out and stuff. And I think that as somebody, if you're working for yourself or whatever, sometimes you have to know that sometimes like it's crunch time, and you'll have to, you know, work those late shifts or work those, you know, heavy weeks. But I think for the most part, pace yourself, and don't get too caught up in numbers, you know, like hourly worked weeks and stuff like that, because it's not worth it, in my opinion. Do enough that you're actually progressing to where you want to go, but not too much that you burn out and hate what you do. That's my take. Okay, let's finish this. But yeah, thank you for that question. That was an awesome question. That was a great question, Chip Dev. If anybody has any more questions, I'll be here for a short little while. I'll be leaving soon, though. So get your questions in now while I'm here. Solid. I think this is good now. I think this is looking good. Thank you for the response. I currently work around 50 hours a week. Sorry for distracting you too much. It's all good, man. That's why I'm here. That is why I'm here. Like, it's definitely, it's tough streaming and getting work done. So that's why I don't do it all the time. But when I do it, I mean, it's what I expect, right? I expect to get on here and talk to you guys and have a good time and, you know, just entertain you guys. So never apologize. This is my decision to jump on here and, you know, start conversations. So okay, done. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, nice. So what do I have to do for the rest of the day? A lot. Decorate all maps. So I did the 2 burnt forest areas. So I have to do the other 2 dungeon areas, which I'm kind of glad that we didn't decorate the one because I don't want to spoil the entire demo for you guys. And then I have to do the TB insides and then the main menu and victory screen. So yeah, I gotta finish that. I also have to record all of the audio for the new script. Guys, the video is coming out this Friday, so I might honestly throw this into tomorrow. We'll see. I don't know how I'm feeling, but I feel like I'm probably gonna do that. I'm probably gonna throw this into tomorrow's work schedule. I guess that's what's good about you know, being flexible with your schedule and your time. That's what I like about working for yourself is I can decide, you know what, I'm not having a good day. I'm just gonna like push stuff onto tomorrow. As long as it gets done, you know, that's all that matters. I think I've kind of got that down, where like I can keep myself accountable to like push things off to my future self and actually get it done, and not like make life worse for me. But yeah, hold on. Let me just open up Aseprite and show you guys some of the monsters. So I was showing people some of the monsters from yesterday, the people that were in the Discord voice chat. Everyone seemed to really like the dragon goat Yoshi thing. I actually really like him too. Love your videos. Can't wait until the game's out. Super excited. Thank you, Tyler. Appreciate it, man. Have you ever tried Unity or Godot? I've tried Unity. I've made a couple little small prototypes in there, but nothing crazy. Nothing too much. So yeah, I've dabbled in Unity, not too much. Godot, I will definitely want to try at some point, but right now, I'm not in the capacity, the mental capacity to work in a new engine. I just started using Construct and learning Construct because they sponsored me for a dedicated video, but yeah, like I don't think learning new engines is a good thing right now for me. But yeah, I really like this one. So I made this guy a while back and I had a fusion for him and I hated it. It had like tentacles coming off the back. Cause originally this was supposed to be a squid and now it's like this, I don't even know, plant eye thing, fire thing. I don't know. But anyway, so I made a fusion for it and this one is actually gonna be a nature type. But it's gonna control all 3 elements. Like it'll have water, fire, and nature moves because it's kind of like made out of dirt. It's like crystallized dirt. That's why it's like almost like gold. But yeah, like what do you call this? I don't know. The body, the plant, the roots, the thing. I don't know. It's got some water and fire and stuff infused. So I thought it was a cool kind of concept where you have like a nature creature that uses a lot of different elements. And then, yeah, I mean, it's got a mouth thing. So, yeah, I thought that was interesting. Anyway, so yeah, guys, you forgot a pet. You forgot a pet. Oh man, I'm sorry. I'm new to the channel. What does he use? What does he make? What does he use to make this game? I use GameMaker Studios too. I think it's a great engine. It's fun. It's nice. I like it. Anyway, so let's just run the game one more time and let's just have some conversations. I'm going to give you guys a chance to ask me some questions. Also, I feel like I haven't said this a lot, but guys, if you are new here and you're enjoying yourselves, make sure to subscribe because it does mean a lot to me. You know, this is my full-time job. So, in any way that you can help, you know, it actually does help me more than you might think. So yeah, I appreciate everyone's support and, you know, that's, I mean, at least like for now, that's a huge way to support, is just subscribing to the channel and watching the videos and following along. And, yeah, so anyway, I think what I should do is bring this gate actually more down. Like I should, wow, I've said like 300 times in the past 10 seconds. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, let's just run a little piece of this demo here, just for the new people that are watching. So when you start the alpha, when you start the little demo here, can I go down here? I can, but I can't cross anywhere here. So that's good. So it is completely inaccessible. I cannot get into the clearing area before completing that quest. So that's good. Okay, so I go in here and I can talk to this guy and he's got a quest for me. Because it's yellow, it means that I actually have it completed. So we're just gonna talk to this guy. Oh no, it broke. It broke. That's okay. We still completed the quest technically. Guys, there's a lot of bugs and issues with the game right now, but that's natural. It's an early alpha test thing, so that's natural. Anyway, I just want to make sure that the laboratory in here actually works properly, as it, you know, should work. We go in, boom. Collisions are still visible. That's awkward, but I mean, at least we know that we actually have collisions in the in the game. That's nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, there's no dialogue written to the bookshelves right now, so it crashed the game, but it's good to know that that actually did work. So I'm just gonna make this like way bigger. Sweet. Hey, loving this game. Keep up the great work. Thank you so much, Game Raider Official. Thank you. Just subscribed. Thanks, XGen. Appreciate you so much. It's a fusion to take a different level. Wait, what? I don't think I understand. Are the particles not in world space? No. I don't think so. The player forgot the pet. Yeah, the pet is not in the alpha right now. He'll be in the full game, but not in this alpha. What we're going to do is, okay, guys, I'm going to give you a breakdown real quick. So everybody listen up. Everybody listen up. Okay, nice. So now, like, it goes on forever, so we can actually just, like, see this. Yeah, this is exactly how I wanted it to be, so that's good. That this gate thing actually works. Anyway, so here's. Let me have some story time for a second, and then I'll let you guys go, and you can have a nice day. But before I go, let me explain the situation of the alpha test demo. Unfortunately, a lot of you will not be playing this alpha test for a little while. And that's because we want to make sure that it is actually like not available to the public because there's so many bugs and glitches and issues. We don't want to give out a bad reputation for the game. Obviously, you know, it is in a very early alpha state. So, you know, those things are natural, bugs and glitches or whatever. But we would rather keep it small scope. So from the Kickstarter, we, you know, we made sure that the game would be, you know, exclusive, or like give people access, but only certain people. So if you guys backed above $30 Canadian to the Kickstarter, you're going to get access to this, and you'll be able to play it and experience just like a small little story through this demo. But what we're going to do is over the next couple, maybe 4 to 8 weeks, like month or 2 months, we're going to be slowly adding to this demo, you know, fixing bugs, fixing little issues, making the game better, just quality of life stuff, adding in fusions, all these kinds of things to make the game better. And then, so once we get to a point in the alpha where we feel this is something that is like polished enough that we want to have more people join in and start playing and getting like an idea of how the game is, we're going to open it up to like, it's still going to be a closed beta. But basically, I've seen a few games do this, and maybe it's not the best way. Guys, don't hate me for this. I'm not final on this decision, but what I want to do is still keep it closed to, you know, like not the public. But it'll be like just like an extra thing that you can get for maybe like $5 or something, and you guys can get access to this demo that we will be updating every couple months. So we're not just gonna like make you guys pay for something and it's, you know, useless and whatever. But it is kind of there to help kind of like support and fund the company through the game's development, because the game's not going to be out for a while. So we just kind of figured that this would be a good way to kind of get people slowly into the prototype of this game without, you know, giving everybody access right away. And if that's not something that you want to do, if you're really tight on money, you don't have the $5 to get into the closed alpha, just wait. And this will be released as like a free demo when the game officially comes out in Q1 2022. So this is specifically for people that are just like really antsy, want to get into the game as soon as possible, start playing it, you know, help us devs, you know, find these glitches and bugs and issues and stuff. And, you know, just have fun playing the game and talking to us about it. So, yeah, that's the situation. That won't be happening for at least like 4 to 6 weeks, but it'll happen soon where technically anybody can get access, but it's still kind of a closed beta thing. So, yeah, that's my spiel. I'm going to talk about it a little bit more in the devlog coming out on Friday, but I always talk to you guys. My stream gang is like I talk to you guys about things first and foremost. Like the YouTube is like the public. So that's when I talk about all my big announcements, all my big updates is through YouTube. But my stream gang is more like you guys get in on, you know, information before anybody else. So that's the situation. It's not final, but that is what I'm kind of gearing towards and thinking about. And you do have to remember, I know it's annoying, you know, I don't want to pay $5 for, you know, this like alpha demo. But at the same time, there, you know, you're still going to be able to at least get like an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours or whatever of playtime from this demo. So even though it's not the real game, you're still getting something, right? But yeah, so this is my full-time job. So sometimes we got to make some sacrifices, but I hope you guys are okay with that. Anyway, that's going to conclude today's stream. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had some fun. I got some work done, but I have to get a lot more work done, so I do have to hop off of here. But yeah, thank you for being here. What are you planning to put on the bookshelves? Also, just subscribed. So we're going to put some information. I guess, hold on. Last thing before I go. If you guys are a part of the Discord, I just created a new channel for the Discord. And so it would mean a lot to me. It would mean a lot to us if you guys actually voted on your favorite creature, because it helps us to get an idea as to what people are looking at as far as monster designs and stuff go. So for now, I think Albeck is number 1. He's got 13 votes. I just put this post up yesterday, so you guys can vote on that. And this is basically the bestiary, but right now it's only in a PDF, so I decided to create this on the Discord servers so that people can you know, just find it whenever they want. If you're not a part of the Discord, it's in the description of this live stream. But yeah, so we're gonna have things like the typing chart and stuff like that in the bookshelves. Just information about the game that would, you know, help newer players that don't know how the game works. So yeah. No, don't leave us. I'm sorry. I do have to go. I'm sorry. Here's a little legend though. So these are all the elements. These are all the classes, and then you got like all the different areas, and then like the diets for the creatures, their rarity. So that just is like a little legend for this bestiary biography. So anyway, yeah, vote on your favorite creature, and more is coming soon. We put a little coming soon thing here, so more will come. This is the first 20 monsters in the game. I think we have about 43 or 44 monsters now, and there's going to be about a total between like 60 to 70. So this isn't even a third of all of the monsters. So more to come. I'll probably add them in patches of like 10, and I'll just like send a little update to the Monster Tribe update gang, just saying that, you know, there's new monsters on the bestiary. Check them out. And then yeah, so that's the situation, guys. I had a blast. I'm tired now, so I gotta take a little break and then get back to work. But this is the stream for today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are excited about the playtest, because that's coming soon. So maybe I'll do some gameplay streams or something. Maybe I'll play through the full like alpha with you guys live on stream or something. Bye guys. Lol, could I have a shout out? Yeah, I'm gonna start shouting people out. I'm just gonna start naming a bunch of names. The Dragon Arena. There's your shout out, man. Isto Inc., he needs the shout out. He's just a small little guy on YouTube, so he needs the shout out. I think he's only got like what, 30,000 subscribers or something. Yeah, maybe one day he can reach us. Maybe one day. Isto Inc. I love you, Steven, man. I hope we talk soon. I haven't talked to you in a while. But yeah. Starlight, have a good one. Midnight, Scott, Devmare, Amused. You guys are the best. Thanks, Light Gang. Bye.